Hello everyone, this is Shahzad and you are watching Shahzad Tech YouTube channel. In this video, I am going to show you how to fix face not recognized. Enter iPhone passcode or go to cancel. So guys, in this video, we can make sure that how to fix face not recognized on iPhone 14 Pro Max. So guys, without wasting any time, let's start the video guys. If Face ID is not recognizing your face on your iPhone, there are some or few things you can try. First, make sure your face is clean and dry. Face ID may not work if your face is dirty or oily or wet. So make sure that your face is clean and dry. So solution number 2 is make sure your face is well lit. Face ID works best in well light environment. So firstly you can go in well light environments and then try Face ID. So solution number 3 is make sure you are facing the true depth camera. So true depth camera is located at the top of the display next to the speaker. So make sure that you are using true depth camera on your iPhone to unlock your iPhone with Face ID. So solution number 4 is try restarting your iPhone. A simple restart can often fix minor software glitches that may be causing Face ID. So tap on settings. Now you can see that general option, tap on it, and now you can scroll down and in the last you can see shutdown, tap on it. Now you can see slide to power off. After sliding it, your mobile will be powered off. After few seconds, turn it back on to fix Face ID not recognized face. So if this solution is not working, then we move to another solution. Another is reset Face ID. If restarting your iPhone did not help, you can try resetting Face ID. To do this, go to settings. Here you can search password and from here you can go to Face ID and passcode to fix your Face ID problem. So if this solution is not working, then we move to another solution. Another is set up an alternate appearance. If you are still having trouble with Face ID, you can try setting up an alternate appearance. This can be useful if you are wear glasses or a mask, or if your appearance has changed significantly. To set up an alternative appearance, go to settings, Face ID and passcode, and then tap set up an alternate appearance to fix your Face ID not recognizing problem. So guys, I hope you may all know how to fix Face ID not recognized your face. So don't forget to share and subscribe my YouTube channel and press the bell icon for upcoming videos. Thanks for watching.